Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore replicate API tasks when predictions fail. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore replicate API tasks when predictions fail, start by logging into your replicate account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your tasks. Locate the section for failed predictions or tasks. Identify the failed task that you want to restore. Click on the task to open its details page. Review the error message associated with the failure. Determine the reason for the failure based on the error message. If the issue is related to input parameters, adjust them accordingly. Ensure that your input data meets the requirements specified by the model. Once adjustments are made, locate the option to retry the task. Click on the Retry or Rerun button. Monitor the new task status to ensure that it processes correctly. If the task fails again, revisit the error message for further troubleshooting. Make any additional adjustments as needed based on the new error feedback. After successful completion, you can review the predictions generated. Document any changes made for future reference. This process helps you efficiently manage and restore tasks within the Replicate API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.